Your family should not have to crowdsource to pay for your funeral. I'm going to be talking about final expense. It's a specific product that is available for folks to make sure that they are taking care of their families at the most vulnerable times with the simple need of being able to cover funeral expenses and or medical costs. Now, it could be a small insurance policy that will cover these expenses, and it can be very reasonable. It could be $20 a month or something, or 25, depends on how much coverage you need, but it's specific. It's specific for final expense. Now, why is this important? Well, we talked about in an earlier video about the differences between term and permanent insurance and understanding that you are the number one asset. Okay? Now, let's say you don't have enough money for a big, huge insurance policy to cover everything that you need. Well, you can have something very modest to be able to cover your funeral expenses or medical bills. Okay, because you're sick and you need $30,000, $40,000 to cover these medical bills. Because the only other options that we see today, and we see it every day, is GoFundMe pages. Whenever there's an issue out there, and God forbid the person was not prepared and it's an accident of some sort, and you really didn't get a chance to set these up, the only other options is the family actually has to fund it. They have to pay for it. And if they don't have the resources, then they're going to go out and do a GoFundMe page, which is fine. You're going to be asking others for money to help these issues, in these times of need. But you can also set up a small policy specifically for that.